Now what we're going to focus on today is the extra custom strap set that you can order for your Apocalypse Trifecta that's going to give you 3 additional strap choices for your watch, which will give you the ability to create 12 different looks and completely different personalities for the same watch. It's the extra strap kit for the Apocalypse Trifecta. Now, I have the blue one here in my hand, which we just demonstrated on how to change the interchangeable bezels with the blue. So if you were to order the blue strap kit that comes with it, you know, you would get 3 different rubber straps that can all color coordinate for the blue. But I think for demonstration purposes, I think for choice, I think the red is going to show really nice on camera. So we'll do our demonstration on how to change the straps, you know, with the red for today. And by the way, last point before we go to that, with each strap kit, you'll notice up here in the corner, okay, you are going to get a special tool that will allow you to change the straps. And that's what we're going to show you today, is how to change the straps with your strap changing tool. Alright, what we're going to do now is we're going to show you how to change from one strap to another. In this case, from the original leather strap, and I'm going to go to the wild all red rubber strap, which is very striking. Okay? First thing I want you to know is that with the Apocalypse case design, you can only get to the lugs that hold the strap from the back side, because it has these extensions that cover the lugs. So you can't do it from the top. You must turn it over and go at it from the back. Now, the pins that hold the leather strap in, those are spring bar tension pins. Okay? So they're like a little spring. So to get at them, you're going to want to use your strap changing tool. And the strap changing tool has a little forked edge right here, right there, a little fork. And what you're going to want to do, we'll move the rubber strap out of the way, is you're going to want to wedge the little fork between the leather and the lug so that it grabs the pin, and it will, you just want to spring it out like that, flip it around, once again use your tool, wedge the pin, wedge the fork I should say, between the leather and the lug like that, okay? Make sure you can feel the pin. When you feel it on the pin, then just want to kind of, oh, slipped off. Then you want to just kind of, you know, squeeze it in. It's a tension pin, and it will pop right out like that. You see that? So now you've taken off the leather strap, and what we're going to do is we're going to put on the red rubber strap. So let's go ahead and let's take this apart here. There we go. So you have 2 halves. Now you'll notice on the 2 pieces, one of them has the buckle. Okay? This one has the buckle and this one has the tongue. Okay? You want to put the buckle side on the 12 o'clock side. So there's a top at 12 and a bottom at 6. So on the 12 o'clock side, which is over here now, is where the buckle one goes. So let's move this out of the way. Now, you'll notice before I get into this real quickly, on these rubber straps, one side has a little notch. Okay? Right there. So what you want to do is, on the other side, you want to get that side in first. So just kind of push it with your finger. You want to then, while you're holding it in with your finger, there's a little notch inside the lug right there. Okay? Go ahead and get that pin in the notch. There it is. It's in the notch. Now once it's in the notch, hold it in, and instead of trying to depress the pin in this position, here's a little trick for you. Okay? Instead of doing it like this and then trying to depress the pin in this position, while it's in the notch on this side up here, bring your strap and pin so it's resting on top of the lug. Now once you have it on top of the lug, all you want to do is take your little fork, put it on the edge of the pin, and just depress it in and push down to get it inside the lug. And once you have it inside the lug like that, you want to just kind of feel for the notch. And when you're feeling for the notch, if you just turn the strap up and then pull it up, there it is. Very simple. Now, we turn it around. Same thing on the other side. Once again, you'll notice that one side has the little notch. That's the side you want to leave free so you can get your fork on it. So kind of push this pin all the way in so that you have the most sticking out. There's your little notch inside the lug. Get it in the notch. And instead of trying to depress the pin from this position, bring it up on top of the lug, getting the rubber strap inside the lug, and then use your fork to grab the tension pin and just push it in and push it down. Here we go. I'm sorry if I'm blocking the camera, but you want to push it in, depress that tension pin, and push it down inside the lug like that. Once you have it inside the lug, then just rotate, holding it down so it doesn't come out, rotate the strap up, kind of pull it up. There it is. You feel for the notch. It clicked, and there you have it. Very, very simple to do, and you see how it drastically changes the personality of your Apocalypse trifecta. And then for additional looks, you can change your bezels as well. All right, what we've done here now is we've gone from the red rubber strap using the same process to the black rubber strap with the leather sewn in insert to give you a different look altogether. Let's move these red ones out of the way. Okay, and you see it gives you a completely different personality now with the red leather insert. And for additional looks, we can now put on the black carbon fiber bezel, and it would give you a completely different look as well. And finally, what I've done here now is I've put the black silicone rubber strap with the red contrast stitching, and just for fun, I went ahead and I put the carbon fiber bezel on just to give you an idea of the different personalities you can get with your watch. That carbon fiber is really hot. Or you can go back and leave the red bezel, whatever you want to do. But you can see how you can get 12 entirely different looks with the Apocalypse trifecta and the custom strap kit. Well, that's it for the Apocalypse trifecta custom strap kit. And it's pretty exciting, and I hope that this instructional video has helped you to learn the little ins and outs of actually changing the straps on your Apocalypse trifecta to better help you to enjoy all the different personalities that you can get from the Apocalypse trifecta with the custom strap kit.